Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna show you how you can play Android without installing BlueStacks or any other uh, operating system to play Android. So first of all, try to click on Start menu and search for Features. FEA. Okay, select this one and you're gonna turn on two items here: Windows Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hyper-V Platform. If you enable these two items, it's gonna need to be restart for you, and after restart these items are available. And let's see that we can find in Google Play, Store. Maybe we can find the Google Play here. No, there is not in Microsoft Store. So I attached the website link that can be done. You can download the Play Games beta from here. You can download the beta. Oh, sorry. Let me just change something here and refresh. And when you click on it, it's gonna be download. Once you open it, it's like normal installation. It will download about 700 megabytes and it's gonna take about 2 minutes. of the installation. Okay, now we can access Google Play, and it needs you sign in. So I'm gonna sign in with my account. I choose my in account and sign in. Okay, good luck. Good luck, and privacy finish. So you have access to all the games in here, like previous video that we had this game, but it was so extremely about copyright, because you don't know to when you're recording, you don't know to it's copyrighted or not. So let's download it again. I think it takes so long. Oh, now it's on download progress. Depending on what. So we're gonna go with another one, Family Guy. I think this one is the most. Let's go with Family Guy. Maybe I should turn off and turn on and log in again. Family Guy is downloading, and we want to play. For a second, I'm gonna show you the shortcut to be full screen, like normal games that you play. So it's installed. So playing, press shift and tap. Oh, I should update my graphic card. So let's do it with another one. Let's do it with that. Same one, Asphalt. I think. Oh, okay. Let's get another one. Install this one. I think I need graphic card or something. This version is beta, so maybe some games are not available here, but it's gonna be added because the controls should be different. In Asphalt game, I show you the controls may be changed. Maybe sometimes you should use mouse, sometimes you should use keyboard, sometimes together. So let's see what happened here. Okay, it's ready and play. Yes, I agree. Now wait on notifications, and for full screen I should shift tab. Screen resolution full screen. Okay. Something's wrong or it's loading. No, something's loading here. Okay, we get all of them. Collect. I think I need to subscribe, so I don't want to subscribe, and I want to play with merely play this. This one is with mouse. Yeah, always working with mouse. Okay. Okay, this was the game, so it was my first try. It was my first try actually playing game with mouse, but this Google Play game beta is available now. You can download it. You can sync it with your phone, and it's just gonna be updated because it's in beta version, and other of games gonna be added here. So if you have any question or if you have any problem on installing, just ask me in the comments. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.